Alright, good day. Welcome to Stupendous Maths again. Today I'll be sharing with you ratio and proportion, how I tackle questions on them. So the first one says A, B, and C share 1,260 naira in the ratio 3 to 2 to 5. How much money will C get? So if you have a question like this, what you want to do first is to add up the numbers that make the ratio. So you have number 1, 3 ratio 2 ratio 5. So you add them up. 3 plus 2 plus 5, and that will give you 10. So you'll notice this is for A, this is for B. A ratio B ratio C. So C will take 5 out of this 10. So C's share will be 5 over 10 multiplied by whatever amount they are sharing. 1,260. And 0 can take care of 0, and then you have 5 times 126, which will give you 630 naira. And that's that. Number two, we are told that A ratio B equals 3 ratio 4, and B ratio C equals 2 ratio 5. Now, there's a reason why I'm stacking them here, because it will be easier for you to see that B is common here. So what I like doing is that since B is common and I need A ratio B ratio C, A ratio B ratio C, I will use these two here to multiply the upper part and use 4 here to multiply the downward part, just as if you are solving simultaneous equation using elimination method. So you have 3 times 2 here, and that will give you 6 ratio 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 2 here will give you 8 ratio 4 times 5, 20. And so you notice even the B part now is balanced 8. So A ratio B ratio C should give you 6 ratio 8 ratio 20. And now you can still reduce them because 2 can divide through, so you should divide through and have 3 ratio 4 ratio 10, and that's that. Number 3, if 8,200 naira is divided among Annie, Bola, and Charles, so that Annie's share is 2/5 of Bola's share and Bola's share is 3/4 of Charles, how much did Charles get? Now I'll start interpreting from here. Annie's share is 2/5 of Bola's, so A for Annie, A is equal to 2 over 5 of becomes multiplication, then B for Bola. And that implies that we can merge these two since it's multiplication. A equals 2B over 5. And I'll divide by B alone so that I'll have the letters on one side. So that implies that A over B, if you divide by B, 2 over 5 remains alone, equals 2 over 5. And that's that. So the other side, Bola's share is 3/4 of Charles. Again, B for Bola equals 3 over 4 multiplied by C. And that implies if we merge them together, B equals 3C over 4. Again, if you divide by C so that the letters start on one side, B over C equals 3 over 4. Now I should turn those fractions to ratio. That A ratio B equals 2 ratio 5 and B ratio C equals 3 ratio 4. Now again, B is common. So if you check the number again, 3, and so we should multiply here by 3 and then multiply here by 5. And so 2 times 3, 6, ratio 5 times 3, 15. 3 times 5, 15, ratio 4 times 5, 20. So you expect A ratio B ratio C to be equal to 6 ratio 15, 6 ratio 15 ratio 20. Now they are irreducible, nothing can reduce them. So what we should continue with solving the question. So if you add them up, A ratio B, A plus B plus C will give you 6 plus 15 plus 20, and that is 41. So you expect Charles share. Charles share. Charles share is equal to 20. Charles is taking 20. The last part, 20 out of the 41, then multiply by whatever amount they are sharing, 8,200 naira. So 41 here 1, 41 here 2, and 0, 0, 0, 0. And so that will be 20 multiplied by naira 200, which is what? 4,000 naira. So that's that about ratio and proportion. If you find this video useful, hit the like button. And if you want to take this journey with me in stupendous maths, consider subscribing because you get notified as I post new videos. Thank you.